All right, good morning. Hey, what's up, Katie? What's up? What's up? Mhm. Good morning, Market Edge. Okay. All right, let's see how the market wants to open today. Let's see. I expect the market to continue to grind down, but we will see. I do expect for the bulls to try to buy this back up, but we have CPI and FOMC on Wednesday. We usually have CPI on Tuesday, which may shake things up a bit with the price action. I believe the market is going to want to set itself up for the power pump on Wednesday. So we may get some choppy price action today and tomorrow. We will see. You can see that price traded in a range. And actually, let me just mark that up. So the high so far is at 60.25. I'll mark that up, make that a cyan color. Coordinate 60.25. That is interesting. So extend line to the right. Okay. All right, so yeah, the high so far is 360.25. And I guess we can look for a range breakout. That's what we got so far. And the low is at 38.50. 38.50 so far. So this is the range that we are trading in on the ES. I'll go and do the same thing on the NQ real quick. And we will be testing this out this week. We will be looking at this for NQ. If this makes trading an NQ easier, we will definitely utilize this tool. We will definitely utilize this tool. However, I was debating about this over the weekend. I did take trades in both the ES and the NQ when I saw the opportunity that it was about to drop. I did take that opportunity. Actually, I took both of the instruments short. It has been a while since I've traded the NQ. And it's been a while since I've felt that amount of adrenaline while trading. And comparing apples to oranges, I will reiterate that NQ is not for newer traders. It's definitely not. I actually forgot how it felt to trade with adrenaline, but I saw the opportunity. I accepted the risk. I think I only risked about a couple of points when I saw that the market wasn't trading above this high. And once I saw that it wasn't trading above this high with strength, I took the opportunity to take it short. And I was able to capture this whole move down, and I held this position short towards the end of the day. Hey, what's up? For Shiro. For Shiro. What's up? So yeah, we're gonna utilize this tool as much as possible. Um, it does seem like the levels from Friday is still somewhat holding up. It does feel like this the golden zone is acting as resistance so far. As I've stated before, I do expect the market to kind of chop trading a range today, or potentially just continue to roll over. Actually, that's what I'll do. I'll take it off of this because honestly, I don't do that. Okay. So, and then I have to actually set it up on my other one. All right, so get that out the way. Set this up. Yeah, the current high on the NQ right now is 1960. And our current low right now is 973.25. It's gonna value. Okay. So this is going to be our opening range. If price goes higher or lower, we're just going to mark that out with different colors, but we're going to keep the opening range because we know that the market, once it breaks out of this range to the up or downside, the market likes to come back up and they like to retest these levels. So from moving forward, we're going to mark these out on the chart so we can reference them for future, in the future. And let's see. Let's see how this tool. So it's about around here. Actually, yeah, let's do that. Let's do it from. Let's see if that works. Pre-market high to about pre-market low. But that's not. I don't think that's how that's supposed to work. I mean that second leg. All right, so let's see. Let's see if the market does. This does look like, well, like I said, this does look like a short. If the bulls do fail right here, we can see the market begin to trade lower. And it will be interesting if price does trade into this golden zone around 955. That will be interesting to see. Hmm. Honestly, that wouldn't even be surprising. Man, you got that low there at 40, 940. We got a low right there. Hmm. Yeah, I should have took that short. Okay. Yeah, so it does look like this golden zone does line up around this low right here. I would actually take it long here towards the bottom at this 45. I would take the market long here. Price gets down here. The risk reward to this type of trade will be beautiful. I mean, you got your low right here, 45. 20 points of drawdown will be all the way down here. Honestly, you probably won't even need the 20 points. Honestly, this might be an 18-point play. Or, well, I guess 20 points. Yeah, why not? Yeah, this would be a great risk reward trade to be able to get in here at this 945 for a possible retest. For a possible retest. Maybe back up here. Like if this were to break down right here and we were to get price to roll over, that would definitely probably be a good area. The bottom of this little neckline right here will be a good area for them to retest if the bears do take over. The bulls take this as an opportunity to buy the dip. I can see that. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. Um, Mm. Yeah, I think this is what we're going to just get for right now. Let's see what happens at the 9 o'clock algo. And from there, today might be a day where we might have to sit on our hands. We may have to sit on our hands today because it does appear that the market doesn't want to really move in one direction. You can see that people are selling this. You can see that people are selling this. Now, this is the area that I'm going to be looking for on the ES. I mean, right here, if the bulls can hold this, this is a great area for a long. However, if you look on the hourly chart, you can see that the bears are in control. So there's going to be buyers that's going to want to buy this area. And the bulls have shown their level of regardedness. However, I don't think anybody is that regarded in terms of them buying this market right back up when we don't know what CPI is going to bring, and we don't know the Fed decisions or their official decision. We can speculate that they won't be cutting rates, they won't be raising rates, and they'll be keeping rates the same. However, we got to remember that during volatile weeks, these prop firms don't really allow their traders to trade heavy size. Not prop firms, institutions. If price does trade into this area, this 327 area, we may see a reaction. My money is if the bulls don't hold it here at 23 to 18, so basically this range right here, if the bulls lose this range, I'll be looking to see what price does around 310 and 309. I know this 312 to 313 level has been a strong area of support in the past. However, I believe if people buy in this area, there will be a stop run. Yeah, we may see that 310 to 39 area somewhere at the bottom of this range, but they need to hold off the bottom of this range, the bulls, because if the bulls lose this range, we'll definitely see a move lower into this range down here. So this will be the last line of defense for bulls. So this is the area I'm going to be looking for if price trades into it today. It looks like we're going to get a break here on the hourly chart. It looks like the bulls are going to fail. And price is going to trade beneath this low. So we will get a stop run. We will get a stop run right here. They're going to have to hold this level at 30, but I mean, this is a good area. I do believe that the bulls will try to come in and defend this area and at least try to, but I don't believe in the long run they'll be successful. Because there's no room for price to go to the upside. Yeah. So and NQ's not doing any better. So I kind of felt that, yeah, this did look like a short price. We did get a short here. So from 22 to about 86, so about like a 30 points right here so far. I will take note that once we got a break of this golden fib, that 23% definitely held up. We got a retracement to that 50%. And once they broke this 23% right here, we can see that stop run right there. See that stop run. Then we got a break. And they came right back up to that 50%. Because you gotta possibly look for okay. So I'll turn this one into the NQ. And we can just really look at this. So I think with a combination of that fib tool and technical analysis, like using technical analysis to identify areas where price action will happen, and then using that tool for entries and exits, I think that would be a great combination. I believe that would be a great combination. All right, so let me delete this real quick because obviously the market is trending down lower from Friday's session. All right, so let's really look at what's happening here on the NQ. So she made a range right here. There's a range somewhat. You got an expansion from that range. They bought it back into it, and then they moved it again. The bulls tried one more time to try to break into this range and out of it. And right now they're failing. And you can see that the bulls are failing to break above this high right here, this trend line high. So that's going to be the first thing for the bulls to have to get over. But actually, let's look at the volume. Actually, let's look at that because the way that the market's moving, I doubt that there's any volume. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so there's nobody trading at least right now. Yeah, we got 7 more days until this contract. Wow. We have 7 more days until this contract expires. So you know what that means. Let's actually look at, well, I don't think they might have it on Top Step X, but let's look at it on look on it because the next one is going to be in June, right? It's like every quarter. So June. Let's look at that. Okay. So we got September. September is going to be our next. I don't think. So let's look at this on NinjaTrader. Let's look at that on NinjaTrader. Hmm. We got the algo coming up in 5 minutes. Okay. And this is exactly what I was looking for. So the September contracts is already trading at 5,400 already. We know that once this rollover happens, because it's low volume, we're going to get opportunities like this. And this is what I'm going to be looking for once we get a little bit closer. Now, it does appear that we did already get this green candle. I don't think this happened I don't think this happened like this, but the next contract over, we usually get opportunities where the market will trade about 100 something points on both sides. So I'm going to be looking at this. I will be looking at it because I'm tired of missing these moves like this once we get a new contract rolling over because of the low volume. So I'm going to be watching this. I do want to see what the Nasdaq actually looks like as well. All right, so it looks like the Nasdaq is doing the same thing. And it looks like we're going to gap up on both instruments once we roll over. So just be mindful of that. Obviously, we have FOMC and CPI this week, so it'll affect these contracts as well. But if this contract gaps up, it usually foreshadows the previous month. You're not going to get this one pumping up and the previous month selling off. That usually does not happen. Usually. But with this market, anything is possible. All right, so we do currently have the NQ breaking out of this trend line and trying to use it as support. We'll see if the bulls are going to be successful here. Now, if the bears are able to get this price to close in this trend line, then I expect the market to continue to trade lower. However, if the market finds support here, the market can definitely try to trade right back up into this range right here. Yeah, about right there. I can expect the market to trade back into this range. But the bears are closing price back into this trend line so far. So if that's successful, I would definitely watch out for that low right here. That can definitely be used as fuel to push this market down. All right, let's see what this algo does. The algo usually favors the bull side, but we'll see what happens today. Good morning, CM Look. Okay. So the bulls did try. We saw they did try to push this thing right back up, but there's not enough volume in this market right now to move the market in either direction. We are already 30 minutes into the session and price has done nothing. So far, this is the range that price has traded in the last 30 minutes since open. Now here on the NQ, if you took this or if you was able to capture this, this was about like what, a 40-point play, just about. So does look like the bulls did come back in right here. $41. $53. I'm actually going to mark this on this chart as well. I'm going to put last week's close. So it does appear that last week's close was at 53.75. And 53.75. We'll make this color like purple or something that we can remember. Hmm. What's up, JC? What's up? You're saying that rhythm, he said that Apex is having an issue. Yeah, it does appear that Apex has just been experiencing a lot of problems lately. I don't know what's up with that. Just make it yellow. I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, the way the market is trading, yeah. Shoot. Honestly, I mean that makes more sense. I mean, if Apex doesn't want to, I mean, if Apex business model and all prop firms business model, they want people to pay to pay them. They don't necessarily want to pay you out, but if they get a reputation of not paying out, then the money stops coming in on their side too. So I don't think you're not too far off, JC. I don't believe you're not too far off. What kind of issues have they been having? I mean, is it issues with the platform itself, like NinjaTrader, TradeOvator, something like that, or is it something just exclusively to Apex? Data issues, ghost trades. So what's up with the ghost trades? What's that? So are you saying that just random trades are being taken on your Apex account or on people's Apex account? Hmm. I will say that I started having issues with MFF. There was a situation where during, I believe it was last Friday's run up, I wasn't able to adjust my targets. I was in long, I was in at the bottom. My targets automatically set up for like 10, 15, 25, or something like that. And I tried to readjust them because I figured that if the market does rebound, then it's going to go higher. I didn't think it was going to go as high as it did, but I thought it was going to at least go to 45. So because I wasn't able to readjust my targets, I lost a lot of money that day. Ended up revenge trading. And it took my target, but it didn't let me adjust the target. So that kind of pissed me off. Damn. Was Apex able to fix this? Were they able to fix the issues for the traders that blew their accounts? $341. Mm. Damn, that sucks, man. That's unfortunate. I guess that's a good thing about these prop firms, man. That's a good thing, man. At least with these prop firms, if your brokers or not the broker, but the platform using the trade acts up, if it's your real money, all that shit is gone when situations like this happens. At least with these prop firms, you're able to at least get an account reset if they allow it. because if this was real money, that money would have been gone. And that's why, I mean, trading futures is kind of dangerous. It is definitely dangerous. If you don't, if you're trading your own money and stuff like that happens, yeah, yeah. We'll see. We'll definitely see. 41. I mean, this is 10 points. That was 10 points in the ES. Hopefully, you weren't one of those people that experienced that, JC. Hmm. So you're experiencing the same thing too, Maui Maui? Hmm. So Trade of 8 is acting weird. Speaking of acting weird, did anybody see that Top Step X that on Saturday that the market began to start to trade on Saturday? Did anybody see that? The market had a big red candle down and the market was literally trading. Literally trading. Actually, I recorded it actually as well. I think I have it in my videos, I think. But the market had a big red candle. There was a lot of volume in the market and price was definitely trading. I think I took a think this may be it right here. Yeah, the market was literally trading over the weekend. I think I had it where I showed the DOM, I think. Yeah. Yeah, you can see that the market was literally trading. So this actually has me thinking, is this the reason why the market is continuing to pump up? Is this the reason why? Is is the pullbacks happening as market participants or at least retail isn't allowed to trade? Because I mean that was obvious. It was a big red candle. We saw price trading. We looked at the DOM, there was volume, and it was traded. So that has me thinking, putting my conspiracy theory tinfoil hat on. Is that the reason why the market was trading in one direction? Because the pullbacks was happening when the market was closed to everybody else. Yeah, NYA, that, yeah, I thought it was hilarious as well. I thought it was hilarious. I was like, yo, because usually I keep Top Step X open because it's a browser. So I mean, why close it? I'm not utilizing any resources. And then all of a sudden, I see a big red candle. I was like, yo, what the hell? I see price trading. Looked at the DOM, saw contracts being exchanged between buyers and sellers. So that tells me that either that's where the market is probably going to be start trading at, because that was, I think it was all the way at 295 on the ES, which is honestly not that far off from where I think the market should go, because I do believe that the market will eventually end up here at 309. And I do believe that maybe the bulls will come in here if price does trade in this area. I do believe that they're going to probably try to protect that 300 level as best as possible. And if they fail, we can definitely end up at that 295 level for sure. We get a stop run at 295, and then the bulls take this right back up. And if we look at the price action around that area, 295, like I said, I mean, 297, 295, yeah, why not? I mean, it's in this range right here. They're going to probably want to protect this level here at 287 as well, 288. And if I remember correctly, I could have sworn that they used this level previously for something else. Like it was previous support or something like that. Yeah, 295, 288. Yes, yeah, 288. You can see that previously here at 288, they broke out at 288. They used it as support. They came back and used 288 as support again. And we got this blast higher. And when price came back to 288, you can see that you got the stop run down, and it came right back into this area at 273. And then the market came right back up, and then they tried again, and then the market tanked. Then we got this move all the way to 205, 240, 60, 69, 80. Yeah, you can see that they had this breakout at 88 as well. They use it as support. So, hold on, I can't say. Hmm. Oh, okay. Oh, freaking swear, kids, yo, what the hell? All right, man. All right, man. All right, I apologize about that, guys. I apologize. My daughter's doing the complete most this morning. Okay. All right, so yeah, I guess right now the market's not moving. The market's not moving right now. And unfortunately, any trade is going to be a gamble. But now that I'm looking at this, when did this trade happen? This happened at 3 o'clock in the morning. This happened at 3 o'clock. And this has happened at 38. Because this right here, this might be the right shoulder right here. This low right here. And honestly, this actually may try to trade back up into 64, actually. This actually may continue to trade higher. And the way this is looking, yeah. Especially if the bulls can get over this area right here at 53.53 at last week's close, if we can get over this area, we can definitely use this as support. And if we run this high here at 360, we can definitely trade back into this range. And we can possibly see 68. But with the low volume, this is definitely going to be a move that you're going to have to believe in. The reason why I say that is because when it's low volume, there will be a lot of stop runs. There's going to be a lot of times that if you were to take this trade, or if you have taken this trade down here, this market will test your resolve. You can see that on the 1 hour that right now the bulls are in control. However, the bears are managing to hold off the 21 in the 50 EMA. The bears are coming in at this level and they are selling. I don't believe that they're going to be successful overall because the structure does appear that it is forming some bullish structure right here. You got higher highs, and you got this wick closing, these hourly candles closing more towards its upper half of the body versus down below. You can see that once we got this bullish candle, we got this bullish engulfing candle, and they came in at the 21 and 50, and they sold it. They failed to rotate and take out this low. The bulls came in, and now they're trying to break this level right here, trying to trade back into this range. So I do believe that the bulls eventually over time will trade past this level, and we can get back up into the 65 to 68 level. And that's where I believe the bulls will start to get some trouble. Because I mean, it wouldn't make sense for them to come up and take out some of these highs. It really wouldn't make sense for the market to allow price to trade back into these highs, but let's look at the NQ. All right, so yeah, now it's official, man. We definitely gonna have to start really looking at the NQ because the NQ is definitely we're definitely making more money with the NQ. Mm, 984. Yeah, the NQ is definitely the move. So, mm. And this is the high of the session. I could definitely see them taking that out. So let's see if they use this area right here, this golden zone as support to push this higher. Because they came in right at this 23%. Shit, if you went fib to fib on this 23% right here, this is about like a 30-point move, 25, 27. And about a 27-point move from here to here. And then back up here, that would have been a 40-point move. Hmm. Mm, I think that's just the. I mean, it'll definitely come back. I mean, that does look like a sweep. That does look like a sweep right here. All right, so let's see. Let's see if they're going to use this area as support. Or if they're going to come back at this 50% at 21. I mean, if even if it does, which I doubt. Oh shit, yeah, that they actually might use this as support. They actually might use this as support. Hey, what's up, man?
What up?
50%.
What were they saying about Apex in your chat? I just got in.
They were saying that there was a lot of ghost trades and a lot of issues with Apex, and a lot of people lost their accounts.
They sabotaging people.
JC was saying the same thing. JC was saying the
Yeah,
same thing.
it's funny because I thought they had did something because I can't place any. I was able to get in and place a trade,
Uh-huh.
but I can't place any more limits or anything. I was like, huh? Did they disable this or
Mm.
no? Can't place. Well, let me see. I can place exits because I am long right now.
Of
I can
course.
place exits above, but they won't let me place any limits or any, uh, even any buy stops up above my entry. They won't let me. Like, okay, we'll see once all my position is up. Once I'm fully out, we'll see what's going on with this.
Yeah, it seems that if you go to the Apex Discord, if you're a part of that, seems like a lot of people was having that same issue. So that must be an issue for today.
It is not helping their rep after all the stuff I've been hearing, though.
Yeah.
Not doing anything for that.
Yep. Yeah, and definitely we're gonna start, dude. I really like, dude. I really want to. I really want to,
What?
dude. I guess, yeah. I mean, if you got in at this golden fib, you took a little bit of heat, but you're in profit, huh? We're
Oh,
trying
you're
to.
probably talking about my entry. Yeah, I got in like right at VWAP. I should have known that there was more demand below, so I could
Uh,
have got a better entry. On Q, I got in like right at VWAP. So I
are
did
you
take a little bit of heat.
you talking about when did you get in? Like a few minutes ago?
My entry, my entry is at 1910.
Hmm. I want to see something real quick. I'm only gonna put. This is the micro. I'm gonna put 1 because I think I see something. I think I see something. I do want to test it out. Actually, no.
You trying to see?
Well, no, I'm not gonna. So
Um,
let's go to this one right here. Because I mean, we're in this range. I want to see what happens if price gets to this 52 level. I
targets
mean,
have been. Oh, that's crazy if it doesn't hit. That means my target. I moved it up though a couple points.
mhm.
It hit on the money. Like both of these targets that I had have hit on the money. And I'm like, huh, that's interesting to see.
What was your
Like she usually doesn't do that. She usually freaking shortchanges me. Uh, my second exit was 46.50, but I moved it up a couple points.
where's it at? I want to
Because of,
see.
yeah, that might have been all. I don't know. Might get some pullback at the top of this supply, 15-minute supply. Look at the hourly. Yeah, hourly is supply up here too.
Yeah, I tried for. I just want to see it. I want to see if this is gonna work.
Should have kept my original. Damn it! I should have kept my original target. But I feel like we could break. Well, yeah. It continues down in this channel.
Hmm.
I want to see it break 65 to be like, okay, we can break out of this channel, but continue pushing towards my other targets, but I don't know. Yeah.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
So you said, of course, so I'm assuming you got long
No, no.
on
I
the
wait. I
ES.
tried for a small short. I'm only risking $15 in this. I think I see something. I think I see a short setup, but obviously I'm not too confident in it. So I just want to see if the market is, if I just, if I'm still in tune with the NQ. I was able to catch that drop on Friday, damn near at the top, because I was like, dude, I was waiting for that shit all day, man. I was waiting for that drop. So I was short on both the NQ and the ES on Friday because I
Oh,
knew that drop was
nice.
gonna be epic. And boy, was that damn thing epic. Yeah.
Yeah, it was fast too.
Yeah.
The drops always seem to happen so fast versus pumps. Pumps be fast too.
Nice. Nice. So this thing, actually, let me do this because I think it just deleted that. It just deleted. Okay, so I think it brought it back. Okay, I was about to say, dude, what the hell? So the Bears are trying. And yeah, I was telling everybody, I was like, dude, it's been a while since I traded the NQ and that adrenaline. It's been a while since I've traded with it. The NQ is definitely not for newer traders, or not necessarily newer traders, but traders that's not able to trade under that emotional pressure. It's easy to get emotionally hijack trading the NQ. It is definitely easy because all those pumps and stuff on Friday, I was like, man, am I seeing this wrong? like my heart is telling me that, or not the heart, the charts are telling me this is going short, but my heart was like, yo, long this, long it. I was like, nah, this is not a long. This is an easy short. And I was like, you know what? If I'm wrong, I'll just take the loss. If I'm wrong, I'll just take the loss. But
You're telling me you followed your charts and not your heart, and it paid off.
this time it did. But you know the NQ is, you know how she is. She like to mess with you a little
Yeah,
bit. Because she could have
yeah.
easily took me out. Because I think actually she could have easily took me out and then continued down lower. Let me see if I can find the trade. Interesting. Were you able to trade that short last Friday? Yeah, I think this is it right here. Because the NQ could have easily been, yeah, she could have easily taken me out. No, that wasn't it. That's not it. That's not that. That's not it. Um, oh yeah, this is it right here. Yeah, she could have easily taken me out. I saw this short opportunity. I had my 27 points of risk just about, and I was like, you know what? If she continues to go up, I'll just accept this loss. But I just knew that she wasn't gonna. It was gonna be highly unlikely that she traded above this high, based on the structure. I mean, if you look at it, I'm gonna show you guys what I was looking at. So I saw that the market kind of broke out of this range right here. I mean, the market broke down. It came up. The bears tried to sell it here, but their stops got used as fuel. They failed. They took it right back down, and the bulls broke that high to retest this high. And this is when I was like, you know what? I'm just going to put a sell stop here because I just don't believe the market was going to trade above this high the way that it was trading. And then we got that massive candle down, and I was able to basically get this whole move. I think I got like 160 points was like my final take profit here on the NQ. So I was proud of that. Just looking at the charts and not getting caught up in all this bullishness because yeah, the momentum can be bullish, but once price gets to its objective, that's when usually the opposite side of the market comes in and they completely take over because the bulls are taking profits here at this level. The bears are coming in and selling at this level. So it's easier to get this short like this versus trying to buy up here thinking that, oh, the market is going to continue to trade higher, blah, 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 is going to continue to trade higher. The NQ will definitely train you to buy high and sell low just because of how fast it moves. It'll easily train you to do that. Oh. But so far, the short is working out. Maybe I should have put more risk on this short. But however, I wasn't real confident in it because it's low volume. Usually in low volume environments, the market likes to grind up higher. But what I was looking at was what I saw was I saw this move. I saw a sweep of this liquidity and then this run down. We could get a retest back up here at my break even, and then the market could make this move like this, possibly to VWAP maybe, or possibly to this 23%. I'm going to see what happens with this. Mm. Because it does look like they're trying to find support. So actually what I'm going to do,
Order filled. Order filled.
all right, so let's see. Let's see if the price will get at least back up into this area right here. Or actually, let's see if it'll get to this golden area. Let's just see what happens. Because the price does continue to trade higher. Where's my stop? Hmm. Yeah, because if it takes out this high, if they take this high up, we're going to stop run higher. And I'm thinking, all right, so let's look at it. 981. Ah, shit, look at that. The bulls definitely need to break out this range. If we can get a range breakout here, if we can get a range breakout, the strong close. So we got this high at 60. We got the high at 60. The NQ can definitely do it. They will need to take out this high right here, but I don't think that they'll allow that. Mm. So you gotta move at 91. So I'm looking for, I want to see what price does, because if we get this run at 60, they'll definitely try to run it up here, possibly get a retest at this high. So I want to see what happens here between here and 95. This is what I want to see. I want to see price trade. I don't know, what is this? Oh, time of sales. I want to see what price does in this area. $43. So I mean the ES did trade 11 points. I mean, like I said, this is decent for the ES. I do believe that the ES will break out of this level, and we can possibly retest the range high. And more likely, if we get a stop run here, we're going to trade right back into this range. Hmm.
Go to my target, baby. Come on, give me 65. All right, first target hit, second target hit. Give me 65, girl.
65 is that 23% level. So I would front run that shit. We do got
Yeah. I was like, give me 65 so I know it's real. You said I'll front run that.
front run that. You say you're looking for a short around 70? I would wait. I would definitely wait. The market is in a bullish rotation right now. That's why I flipped from short to long because it looked like initially it was trying to go short, but then I looked at the chart again. I was like, nah, this ain't going short. And that's why I closed out of my short and I went long. 65 is that 23%. The market does like to stop price at that 23%. I would agree that 70 will be a great trade, with especially if you get in at 70 and give yourself a 10-point stop. I think that's great risk reward because you'll be trading above this high right here. And if price is trading above this high, that means it's going to go higher. So if you were to go short at 70, you need to respect your stop. Keep it tight. Because if it trades above this high here at 72, we're going up higher. But before we get to 70, price has to take out the high of the day first.
Yeah, you know how she likes to. She just be giving up at the high of the day if it ain't no crazy news. What? You can go all the way up here just to go all the way back down to the low?
Yeah, our range day, baby. Semi trading it. And you already know that people is going to be taking profits here. So, like I said, anyway, you trade how you want. Because I would have probably taken a quick scalp short here on the NQ because I know that there's going to be people selling out of their positions here at this high. So the bears are going to probably try to come in here and the bulls are going to try to take profits. However, we all know that these bulls have been regarded for the last couple of months. So, like I said, I wouldn't recommend a short, but if you take a short, just know it is not
I would
reliable.
say, yeah, just wait until they get exhausted because, at least, yeah, they haven't taken out. There they come. There they come. But on the hour, and it was following this downtrend. It's still new. I was like, well, that's why I was kind of like a little bit worried about my long initially because I was, right at VWAP. You never really want to be right at VWAP.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it
Yeah.
depends. I mean, VWAP has been kind of king on NQ lately, though, or God, basically.
Yeah, I mean, and I was looking at it all the time. It looked like it was setting up to go long, but I didn't jump in early, but then I didn't jump in all late and everything. So I was just like, you know what? VWAP's right here. Let me, like it's trying to set up for a long, let me get long.
I feel
And
like
now I just want my
you want your target now.
target.
Uh, one. So two. It does look like. I mean, the bulls are knocking at this door. Please don't be a breakout trader. This will fail. Please don't buy high. The NQ will train you to buy high and sell low. I realized that shit this weekend looking at the charts. You'll become a liquidity donation if you try to buy this breakout.
Yeah, but I could see some. I mean, the hourly candle looks strong, but if you go to the, I could see them trying to.
If I'm going to be completely honest, I think that we might be seeing 114 today on the NQ. We might see 114 today.
Yeah, I just want to see what it does around when it gets close to 100. We'll see how it reacts up there.
Yeah. That's that sweet drug. So I'm up 30 points in this play right now. Up 30 points. Look at the freaking. So let's see. I'll go ahead.
57. 57.
All right, so let's look at the ES. Man, dude. Hey, yo, ES, what's good? Yo, you look at the ES chart. Look at all the work the NQ did, and this is what the ES did. Yo, if the ES is going back to this bullshit ass trading, we'll get it on the NQ. We'll get it. We'll get her. All right, so Tommy, it did hit your, if you did get in at 970, it did hit, or at least you're limited in. In a situation like this, I would keep a 10-point stop. It shouldn't get this high. It should not get this high. Now, if you are going short, you have to be mindful that the bulls had just broken out. We broke out of this range. And if the market does short here, you're going to have to feel some heat because the bulls will come in right here and they will come in right here. I highly doubt they break out. I would highly doubt they break out.
I'm on my way to 70 points right now, baby. 70-point Smith is back. Nah. I'm on my way to 70 points.
Okay, so they did reject here at the bottom of this golden zone that I've drawn out. So we'll see what they do on the NQ. But this is a lot of bullishness. And
damn, I wanted to buy some NVIDIA, but I'm gonna wait until I want to see if it can get down to 110.
I would wait until 90, in my opinion. I'll wait until 90.
Yeah, I have that range.
Because right now, NVIDIA is trading at 120, right? It should be at 120.
Yeah, 121.
121? Okay. Let's look at that. Let's look at NVIDIA. Because these gamma levels, they do work. They may not work when you want them to work, but they work. Okay, so you can see that NVIDIA is in, this is what I'm talking about. Right now, NVIDIA is in negative gamma, which is weird as hell. But actually, let me refresh this page just to make sure. Because it could be showing that it's negative because they did a split. And technically, because the bots don't understand it was a split, in the bot's perspective, it dropped from 1100 down to 121. So of course it's going to say it's in negative gamma. So we're just going to see. We're going to disregard the gamma levels, at least on the NVIDIA, because it's saying negative 32,000, negative, yeah. Okay, so that's what's going on here. Yeah, I would wait until $90. And I'm gonna show you why, the reason why we'll wait until 90. What's going on?
Let us know.
Hey, I did tune in. I did tune into Roaring Kitty stream. I did learn a lot. I did take away a lot from that stream. And here's what I've taken from that stream. I completely understand where he's coming from. As a I want my target kind of trader, I understand why he didn't take those 600 M's. I don't know if he hit 600 M in pre-market and he couldn't close it, but even if the market opened, I still don't think he would have taken it. But not having a target, not having an exit, and just holding a position to see what happens to it, that's definitely dangerous. Because in my mind, I'm thinking, if you're up $500 million, where are you trying to get to? I'm pretty sure he has his number in his mind and it's his position, so he can do whatever the hell he wants with his position. However, if I was in that same situation where I was up 600 M's, I'm taking that. I'm taking that. I mean, go ahead.
You better believe I'm taking that. Taking it, and then I'm gonna open up a new position.
That's what he should have did, because he's back at break even. I'm pretty sure. Go ahead.
No, yeah, you're right. I'm taking it, and then I'm gonna open up a new position and maybe longer term position.
Yeah, I'm taking them 600 M's. Because remember, he's trading options. I don't know the duration of his options. Like I said, is this position. I'm not going to sit here and dissect it and try to fully understand it. I'm just going to look at it from a surface level. He's trading options. He's in calls. I don't know if they're leaps. I think I heard something about him holding it to OPEX or something like that.
It's June 21st calls.
June 21st calls?
For like 2 weeks. Or no, he got a week. Next Friday.
Yeah. Yeah, we already know what's going to happen. The market maker always wins. The market maker always wins. And you gotta understand what's going on with this GME play. I mean, yeah, if you just want to be a part of the excitement and you just want to get into it, fine, it's your money. Just understand that the market is going to take it. Now, GME has earnings, I believe, tomorrow, but they released their earnings, I think prior or before Roaring Kitty said that he was going to do his live stream. So they did their earnings. I think that's the reason why we got this squeeze up. And as the market was squeezing up, the CEO of GameStop actually diluted this. And what people don't understand is, yeah, you think that the market is going. People actually believe that the market is going to allow a stock to trade back up into the $500 like it did previously. The first time GME happened, that was a mistake. The market was not expecting that to happen. They got things in place now to not allow that to ever happen again. You might get these pumps to 70, 80, but it's highly unlikely that the market is going to trade up to 500 like it did before. Even if it does trade higher, the CEO of GameStop has to dilute the stocks. He's required to. He's going to dilute the stock. It will be, what's the word I'm looking for? Irresponsible for him to see that the market is trading higher and not dumping more shares into the market for more people to buy into the stock, because he knows that the market shouldn't be trading up this high. This is all hype and nothing that has anything to do with the business. So he's going to dilute the shares. He's going to try to make as much money as possible for the company, try to pay off their debts. and hopefully come up with a brand new business model. The same thing with AMC is every time it pops, the CEO is going to dilute the stock. And that's just how the game is going to get played. That's how it's going to get played. So we may not even see this move up. And somebody in the comment section asked him if he was okay. Now, financially, I think he's good. Or if he's not good financially and you was up 600 M's, dude, you really got to reevaluate your priorities. It's family first, and then the internet is second. But I'm pretty sure that's not the case. I'm pretty sure. But I don't think we're getting back up here before in a week. It's highly unlikely. The GameStop had its earnings that said the earnings suck as it should be. The company is not profitable. It's not.
Yeah, say it like that. 70 points, baby. Let's go. Can we get 30 more?
How you trying to become 100-point Smith? 100 points, baby. I think we're going to 114. I really think so. At least 114. We got to see what happens at 90 first, 90, 95, but we can probably see 114 for sure. But you can see that.
Order filled.
Oh, did I get my shit filled? Hold on. What's? Oh crap! I got filled. Damn it. Damn, I didn't mean to get filled. I did not mean to get filled. God damn it. All right.
Wait, what happened? You inadvertently closed out of your short or your long?
Yeah, I didn't mean to get filled on that. I thought I moved it up, but I guess I didn't. I thought I moved that damn thing up. But be careful here, though. Be careful. But I think this is still going to go up. But like I said, wait till it gets into that 90 area. And this is what I was talking about, Tommy.
Yeah.
Just be mindful about that short here at 70 because if we ran that oh my bad, go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Because we ran the top of the range, what usually happens is that breakout, we may get a pullback, and then the market usually trades up from there. So I wasn't.
Yo, I think Apex did something. Either it's just the system, or did they make it to where you can't dollar cost average?
They might have done that. They might have done it.
Like what?
Because they ain't gonna be checking to see if people do that shit. They're just gonna hard code it into the system. Have you tried the dollar cost average and you weren't able to do it? You can do it as price goes up. So if your position is above your break even and price is going down, they said that you can add to your position as it goes up. But if price is below your break even, they said that they're not allowing you to do it more than once, and you have to match your original position. So if you go in 8 contracts, with their words, you need a dollar cost average into an additional 8 contracts, which is absolute craziness because you know that trillion drawdown is crazy.
Well, I'm testing it out. Maybe it's the system or something. I don't know. I was trying to test it out to see what I could do.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's letting me. No, all my orders are getting rejected pretty much. And yes, I don't know what they got going on right now.
Hmm. But yeah, someone asked that dude if he was all right. Dude, I don't know. I mean, deep down inside, we know that hurts. We know that hurts. Well, because I have to think. I'm like, well, because I was kind of thinking about the position a little bit. I was like, so you only have 2 weeks with that position. What did you really expect for GameStop to really do in 2 weeks? What did he really expect? I mean, he can definitely roll his position. Obviously, he can roll it. He can shoot it out into the future. So just because his calls expire next week, he can definitely roll them into the future. And that's the great thing about options. As long as you got enough money, you can definitely roll them things into the future. As long as you got the money to do it. As long as you got it. But
Yeah.
Tommy says Apex had not trade issues with TDB, so trade debate. All right, so let's see if they retest the top of this range here at 60. They might. Let's look at ES. So, I mean, ES so far made it to 16 points.
Yeah, 110 would be 100 points for me.
110.
110.
I think you can get that. Hold on. You got in at, hold on. Where was you at? Went in at? How long was you in?
1910.
Oh, that was like at open or something. Or was it?
That was at 9 o'clock. I got in late. I mean,
Oh, did you?
I didn't place my. Yeah, 9 o'clock.
Okay. I see it.
Yeah, 9:05. I got in. The time. You gonna give me my 100 points, baby? Hey, I'll settle. And I went in 5 contracts strong too, straight up.
Oh, for
I
real?
didn't know Apex. I didn't know it would have problems like this. I should have planned that out smarter though. I should have got in like 995.
Ooh.
You know what? I think I might want to cut this.
Yeah, dude, because I was just about my bear senses started tingling. Let's see. My bear
I
senses
think-
started tingling just now.
My indicator's looking like start trying to curve to the downside now, but I don't know. It's probably what's probably gonna happen. It's probably gonna get to the 90s and then be like, psych. Maybe have like a 25, 30 some point drop, and then
Order filled.
if the demand is high enough, the bulls will come right back in and try to retest or something. But I don't know.
I'm just gonna put my stop just a couple of ticks above this high right here. 82. Yeah, let's go to 85. Let's go to 91. No, a couple of points above this high. Go to 85.
Oh, short.
Yeah, that went short, dude. That's a short right there.
Okay. Yeah, you're probably right.
But I mean the 21 is right here. Yeah, this could be like a quick short scalp short.
Yeah, unless they completely take over. But I don't think the Bulls would come this far just to give it up. I think they would want to test at least the 90s, 100.
I mean, you're probably right too, man. You're probably right.
That's just what I'm thinking. Let's see what happens right here. Just these levels.
Yeah, they definitely need to hold up this 65 level. They definitely need to hold it. Because, I mean, they might come back in at 60 for sure. If 60, 51.
Well, that's what I'm saying. You know how NQ like sometimes flash down, like she, like you said, she will emotionally hijack you if you're not used to all her antics
Mm-hmm.
But I've seen her drop like 20, 30 points and then get bought right back up.
Mm-hmm.
Craziness.
Yeah. You
Stopping
definitely gotta
you
be on
out.
point.
Yeah. Stopping you out and then going right back up in your direction.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see that. I can see that. Kind of coming back. I gotta get used to these damn fib levels because, like I said, I can't even see the price action through these damn levels, man. All right, so I mean, we can definitely see them come back to 45, 30, 30 yeah, like 45, 30.
Well, I would not like to see that, being as how I left my runner open, but
Hey, man.
if it happens, nah, I'm not gonna let it get that far down. I'm gonna cut it, but I'll just re-enter at some point.
Balls. Yeah, it's gotten to the point now where it's like, man, with NQ, I'll have one good trade, let that shit ride, and I'm done. Unless I see something like really good. Because now I'm just so used to the ES now, it's like, man, you get one good trade out of the ES, and if you miss it, you're done. Like she don't give you two good trades in a day. She give you about like one.
Yeah, and you got to see it ahead of time and prepare for it. Because
Mm,
if you miss it, it's a wrap.
hell yeah.
Call it a day. Come back tomorrow.
Shit, that is so true, man, with the ES, man. That's why I was like, dude, I just don't see why anybody likes trading it. But going back to the NQ, now I see why people do. I mean, it's just a trade-off. Either you want to be emotionally hijack the entire trading session because you know if you hit, you know that demon wakes up and like, yo, we can get some more money, baby. We can get some more money, baby. You know the NQ can
Yeah.
do it.
That is so true. How many times have we said that before?
So I'm gonna close my chart after this trade, and then she's still going. You're like, God damn, I could get some more money. Oh, I could get some more money.
Yeah. That's where, yeah, I've been on that drug plenty of times before.
That
And the
sweet, sweet
discipline,
drug.
either discipline or get you a physical risk manager to shut down everything, turn
Yeah.
your computer off. You're like, no, at least let me exit my position first.
Yeah, that physical risk manager does come in clutch, yo. That physical risk manager does come in clutch because, yeah, like on the ES, yeah, you can sit in this and be like, okay, whatever, dude. We'll see what happens with this. I mean, eventually it'll get here. It might take all day, but eventually. But shit, the NQ, she's definitely on crack. She's like, well, I took that high out. Well, let's go. I left some money down here. Let's go get this. But now I got some money up here, so let's go up here. It's like it's back and forth. It is a method to her madness, but she will definitely emotionally hijack you for sure. Mm. And then what gets you is just this. This what gets you. She likes to play that little game of, oh, am I going to go short? Like she'll stair step down and then she'll pump up, stair step down, pump up, making you think that you're absolutely wrong. And then you're just like, oh, you got caught? Yeah, I'm actually going down. And then you'll try to FOMO right back into this buying or selling low. But you can get away with it within Q though. You can get away with it. But not on the ES. You chase her low, it'll become liquidity for sure. Um, okay.
All right, she's back near to the high. What you thinking?
I think she'll keep going, honestly. If I'm gonna be completely honest, I think she keeps going. Because looking at the King push chart, yeah, this shit is bullish as hell, yo. This shit is hella bullish. And she may be getting to that 90 level. However, the one thing that we gotta keep in mind is that let's not get overzealous with our longs though, because we had this massive
Yeah,
candle down. Yeah, I think we see 114. I mean, if the market continues to trade higher, we see in 114. 114. Well, treasury. But Smith, I think you should be good, but just be mindful in this area though. If we can get a break above this high, then yeah, your position's good. Your position's definitely good.
yeah. I'm gonna be careful to see what they do in the 90s to 100.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hmm. She better not. She better not. She better keep on trucking. But yeah, let's see what she does. She gets into that golden zone. I think you'll get your 100 points today. You'll definitely get it because I'm thinking we're getting a 14 at least. All right, so we tapped into this golden zone up here. Let's see what the market does. Oh, we tapped into it. and the ES is about to get up to its high. So it does appear that this was a good trade here on the ES. It just was hard to trust it. So 43, or actually, oh no, yeah, okay, this is ES. So this would have been 10 points, but it got our 10-point target hit. We would have got our 12-point target hit. And our 20-point target would be around the top of this range or the bottom of this range. We did touch 90 on the NQ, and we're about to touch the top of this range on the ES. Hmm.
Order filled.
Okay. Hmm. And with the NQ, you definitely have to wait for confirmation on a short. You definitely have to wait for the confirmation. All right, so I got my 18K tick chart up. That's interesting. Hmm.
Order filled.
I might have to change that actually. And you might as well just keep it right there. Hmm. Damn. Hmm. Well, it tapped that fib level like almost to the T a little bit. Hmm.
Dang, dude. And it just fools did it again.
You still on this long, right?
Yeah.
Like I said, I think we see 114. I think we see 114, but I do want to try these FIP levels out. And the day is still young. So even if there is a pullback here, even if there is a pullback, I'm pretty sure the bulls are going to find support here, probably at this 23%. Hmm. Hmm. I might try to find support here. I wanted this golden fib level. I can definitely see the bulls probably coming back in. So let's just say that the bears do get like a small little pullback here. I'm thinking that the bulls will probably come back in this area right here. Let's see. Let's see if these golden fibs actually work out. And I guess that would kind of make sense because I do see that this was a high right here. And then we got a breakdown from this level. So the bulls actually may come back in here right here and try to use this as support, previous resistance as support. But it's kind of hard not to see these two green engulfing candles on the hourly. Hmm. Hmm. Damn. So shit. If you barely missed the bottom, if you caught the bottom of this trend line bounce, 992. I mean, shit. You're at 100 points. You just touched 100 points. That was a 100-point play right there. Yeah, I definitely probably would have had a runner at 100 points. Hmm. Okay. So that was a good trade on the ES. Unfortunately, it's just. Well, I mean, I guess, yeah, yeah, I guess. I mean, I guess that would be a good risk reward trade on the ES. That would be a good risk reward trade. If you got in at 62, you probably had like a 5 point stop. But I don't think that this will reverse here. We may get a pullback, but I think the better trade would be to see what they do here at 53, 53, 50, somewhere around VWAP. Well, that doesn't even that wouldn't even look right on the ES as well. Because I mean, we got this move up. They come back. They might try to double bottom this at the ES. Actually, they may try to double bottom it because that's just not how the ES moves. I mean, we could come back. We got to break out at this level. The bulls could come in right here for a retest of this breakout. I mean, it is a strong close above this breakout level. So I can definitely see them try to come in right here and try to, and at least try to hold this level. We don't know if they're going to be successful, but I would never take this trade on the ES because this is a middle trade. This is in the middle. And you don't want to be in the middle of price action. You don't want to be in the middle of price action. You want to trade at the extremes with ES. If I were to take this, to even think about taking this short, I would need to see what price does at this level right here. Because even though this is the middle, this is technically the range that price left from. And so price would need to break out of this range. And I'm pretty sure here at these highs, they're going to knock this shit right back down. And this area is a better area to short the ES versus shorting it down here. I'm not saying that it won't be successful. I'm just saying the better trade is up here versus down here. Hmm. All right. Oh, no problem for Sheryl. I mean, yeah, this ain't the ES. You definitely got to trade her at her extremes. You cannot trade her in the middle. You cannot. I guess you can. You'll just be a donation to the market. Yeah, we're going to definitely try to focus more on the NQ because we definitely get more opportunities with the NQ. And at least for right now, this golden fib level is 2 for 2. I mean, if you got in, let's just say just shits and giggles, you got in at 90. I mean, that's 10 points. Mm, that's 10 points. But this golden level, I mean, when price came back and tested this area right here, this definitely was the level. So what I'm starting to see is if price breaks out on a high and it comes back into this level, and I guess it does make sense. Yeah. So I mean, even if you got this move right here,
Order filled.
even if you got this move right here, if you traded from golden fib to golden fib, this was like a 58-point move right here. A 58-point move. Mm. So if I get 15 micro contracts, so let's just say, because I mean, you can easily get 27 points on the NQ, obviously, but I feel that you can try to shoot for more. 45 points will kind of be that close to the extreme. You can definitely get 50 points. Hmm.
Order filled.
Remember, I'm just testing this thing out real quick. I just want to see. These are not planned trades or anything. I just want to see what happens. I really want to start to get intimate with these little fib levels and see if they work or not. So we can make this as easy as possible. Hmm, that should. Hmm, hmm. I'm
Order
actually,
filled.
actually, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to buy. So I think the market's going to 14. So I'm going to stop trying to go against what I actually think the market's going to do because I think we're going to go to 14. And our boy Smith can get his 110, his 100-point play.
Order filled.
Then we go to 114 at least. Isn't that cute? Okay. So let's see.
Order filled.
Actually, I really shouldn't trade up below this low right here. The bulls definitely got to hold it right here. So let's see if they're going to hold this golden area. That's what I'm testing. Even though this does look like, so this does look like a reversal, but we're going to see if these fibs hold up. Because we got this move up. They bought it at the 21. We got a break of this high. Now they're coming back here at the 21. So if this is real, the bulls should be able to push it higher here. But it doesn't look like that's going to happen. Actually, let me see if I can try to see it on here. Hmm. 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 Yeah. Yeah, I think the ES is trying to trade back into this range. Yeah. Kind of going back on this NQ trade. For right now, it does look like it's holding up here at this golden fib level. So this will be technically the second time that price has been held up by this golden fib level. So I think this tool will be very helpful in the future, especially when we start to add technical analysis to this. Right now, I'm just taking trades at these fib levels to see how they work out. And if they're working out at these fib levels, then I'll start to add technical analysis to them, and we can definitely start to take trades around these levels. And sure enough, there it goes. So that's the second time. So we got to document that.
You hear me?
I can hear you now. So yeah, these golden fib levels. It's the second time it worked out, man. They held it. They held it. It worked. So you was like 4 points away from your 100 points, baby. You're about 4 points away. Actually, you about.
Should I push it? Should I push it higher?
I already
No,
pushed mine. I already pushed
I
it
got.
high. I pushed it higher. I pushed it higher.
I mean, I think it's gonna do it. Yeah, for
I mean,
sure. But I gotta sit it right at 100 points though.
like I said, I think we touching at least 114, man. At least 114 on the Nasdaq, or
Yeah,
somewhere
let's look
close
at
to
that.
it. Yeah, she's gonna play around with you with that 100 points. She's gonna play around. Look at that.
Yeah, and then she gonna go tease me a little bit.
So 100. So that was 10. So that was 16 points from that golden fib level. 16 points. I mean, if you got in here at this 88, that's about like 20 something points from just this push off from here to about right here so far. So 106 minus 88. So yeah, that was about 18 points. And you left about a couple of points, 2 points on the table. So it took out 2 points, it bounced back, and then this is 18 points. I think 18 points is about $300 on one contract, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's about $360 on one contract. Yeah, we can definitely use this, man. Definitely use it because it does look like it's working. Well, actually, Smith, so how do you use the golden fib tool that's on Tradeovate? How do you use it?
Well, I look for that area to be either it's gonna support or it's going to be a resistance spot to get in. So I do use that time to time to get in positions.
Mm.
Um, like if you were to go back a little bit and see how it started to drop, actually it looks like a little baby W pattern on your chart. But if you were to try to catch a long entry, I would have probably put my limit in that golden fib near the bottom of that first W formation.
Hmm.
And then yeah, you would have took a little bit of drawdown, but not that much because you see the wicks. So you took a little bit of drawdown, but could have caught what, I don't know how many points that is from there.
It was like 20 points so far.
Yeah, I mean that's a decent amount of points. And depending on
Yeah.
how many contracts you have. Now,
Yeah.
definitely wouldn't have went heavy up there, up here, but keep it light. Could have caught 20 points, whatever it is.
Yeah,
But that's how.
that's how I use it. Mm.
It depends on which direction the market's going, but yeah, that's how I use it.
Mm. Yeah. So,
Sorry, for support, you look to use it as support, or you look to use it as a resistance. And it's proven itself before. Like especially like say the market was trying to retrace back up. Say we were in a downtrend, and it gets back into that golden area. Then I look to set like limits around there,
mm.
and then it's worked. But you also gotta it's not just using it blindly. Of course, you gotta look at everything else around it.
Yeah.
But yeah. It's officially 100 points, but I'm still in it. I did not close.
Of course not, baby. We know, man. We all take the same drug, baby. We all take the same drug, baby. But congratulations on that 100 points.
That's funny. I moved it up a little bit, so I do see a potential area around 120
Uh,
for sure. Sure if it gets there, but don't know. Yeah, I would. I mean, I just got to see how it reacts to 120, but I would look for potential short there on the 15-minute. But the hourly just looks
bullish
like,
as hell. Yo, like, yo, this shit look like it's about to go.
yeah, like it could actually, dang, with another couple pushes or whatever, you could see the highs though.
Yo,
It's not that far away.
it's definitely not that far, dude. This is why this, hey, yo, this is a part of the drug known as the NQ. You keep doing this thing right here. And it can go up a little bit higher. You can go up a little bit higher. They can keep going.
Look where we at. I was just looking at the chart from on the hourly from the perspective of like, okay, dang, we only 27 points, and that gets you in the 40 range right there from the top of this candle. I mean, we're kind of dropping a little bit, but yeah, that puts you in the 140s, and then if we do get up there, that would probably be the better short because it probably
Yeah.
will touch since that was previous highs and stuff. So
Yeah.
that would be
Yeah, that would definitely be the biggest short end. For Shiro.
smaller time, but that's probably risky right now.
Yeah. Yeah, especially because, like I said, low liquidity days, the market tends to grind up. I try not to even look for shorts unless we're at super, super duper supply. I try not to look for shorts on low liquidity days because the market just grinds up. Now, for Shiro, this is exactly what I was talking about. Anybody that shorted here, you can see that they became a liquidity donation to the market. Obviously, well, not obviously, but the market wanted to trade back into this range, at least. This would be the first area that I would even consider a short. Because usually if we get a breakout outside of a range, we will see initial resistance here. And usually what happens once we get that price to trade back into a range, we usually get this dump. But we got to be mindful that there is a breakout here. And we have a lot of indications that the bulls will come in. You can see the 50, you can see the 21, you can see the 200, you can see God Almighty itself, VWAP, all sloping to the upside. So this short right here may work. And if you are taking this short, I would look to cover somewhere in this area because the bulls will definitely come in here. They will come. So just be mindful. Let me see. If the ES is dropping, that means that the NQ is probably dropping too, huh?
Yeah,
Ah, damn. Damn. Damn.
points is that?
Damn.
25 points right now. Yeah, it's gonna be
Damn.
crazy.
Damn. NQ, don't do it. NQ, don't do it. Don't do it. Next
I
time I'll
guess
take
she
my
was right.
profits.
You should have took your 100 points. You should have took your 100 points. NQ's revenge.
Let's see. Let's see if this 50 will hold up. Let's see.
Yeah, see if this gets bought
It-
all the way back.
but look though, it touched that damn fib. You're like, all right, these fibs looking like they working out. So it got to 13 people, 1375. So I was a quarter off from my target. A quarter off from my damn target. A quarter off. Or yeah, I was a quarter off. Or right here it says 50. So I was 50 cents off from that target and that shit dropped. Eh, okay.
All right, this has to hold right here because if they start taking it into a downward trend, yeah, it'll probably go.
Yeah, it's
You
gonna
can
go
see
for sure.
back to 60. To 70, 60. And yeah. Shoot, 70 is another 20 points from here. That'll be 40-point drop. And then they'll probably get their momentum.
Hmm.
But, I mean, let's see. You got a nice little order block sitting at 93. Yeah. Damn, I moved my thing up. I should have took the 100 points.
Hey, yeah, looks like it's working out. For Shiro, what happened, man? What happened? How you out of money? You should be in the money right now, baby. You should be in it. Well, you should be in the money right now. But what happened, man? Mm,
Yeah, let's talk about it.
yeah, what happened?
Only way to get better, recognize. Yo, I still, man, even though I see it, I still be falling for the same stupid patterns and mistakes. I'm like, yo, it happens to the best of us. And I know better too. I'm like, yo, how are you getting caught in the same thing multiple times?
Yeah. So you got caught on that drop. Yeah, NQ don't play, man. Hey, when she touched a level, she touched that level. If I had my target at 14, that's why I gotta kind of front run it. because NQ be doing that shit. But so right now, she did make a range right here. So she is ranging between these two fib levels, between the golden fib and that 79%. It is highly likely that she will, because she broke out of it. So she swept that liquidity. It does look like the market is going up. They need to break out again. She has to break out again. Because if she don't, this is the move that is going to happen right here. That's what's going to happen.
Yeah. Now let's see if that was that. How much points was that total? Now I got to measure the whole thing because that was got to been like body to body. It was 21, but let's see wick to wick. Yeah, that was 30 point drop. 31 points roughly. Just to, if it does go back, push back up, just to, so if you did get long around that golden fib area, probably like, if you got in at the bottom, you're in profit a little bit, but if you got in up near the top, you're probably like near break even. So yeah, and she does that. And then if you didn't take your profits at the top, and then she does that 31 point drop from wick to wick, like that's what she does. And we were talking about that earlier. These huge drops, and then tries to chug along and go back up and make new highs and all that BS that she does.
Yeah.
So let's see if that scenario plays out, or if the former plays out.
Yeah, but right now, yeah, the Bulls are definitely gonna have to break out this range, man. They're gonna have to break out. They got to break out again. They got to show these bears that, yo, we in control of this market. Now, obviously, if y'all can't tell, is the difference. Y'all get Nasdaq Sherm, that's totally different from ES Sherm. I'm never a bear on the Nasdaq. I'm usually never a bear on the Nasdaq. It's more lucrative to be a buyer on the Nasdaq than a bear. But on the ES, you can kind of do both. I mean, she really don't give you no choice but to do both. But obviously, the Bulls be winning on the Nasdaq, baby. So you'll rarely see me take a short unless it's like super duper in supply. I see that reversal pattern forming up, and then I'll if I don't take the short, I'll just wait for another buying opportunity because I'm literally a perma bull on the Nasdaq. I'm close to a perma bull on the Nasdaq. Because shit, bears get hurt on the Nasdaq, man. The bears get hurt. I don't know what it is about her, but bears get hurt. Oh, hold on, let me do that. Bears definitely get hurt because look at it. Look at this, man. If we go to a 4-hour chart on the Nasdaq, look at all the bears that the Nasdaq just took everything from them. Just took everything from them. Yeah, it's definitely easier just to be a bull in this market because you get no love being a bear at all. You just use that liquidity 24/7. I mean, we get these big drops like this, but then this shit gets bought right back up. I may, yeah, they actually may come in here right here, and they might actually dump it back down to this area. I don't want to lose $62. I should have got out. Now, I do see something on the ES chart about to form up. Do see something on the ES chart. I think this actually will be going short here. This actually will be going short. But like I said, look at the hourly chart. Yeah, we got this wick down. We got a new candle forming below this price action. So yeah, I think we will get a short here. But I don't think it's going to be a reversal short. It's going to be a scalp short. And they're going to probably come back in here at this 55 level. Yeah, right here at the top of this breakout. That's what it looks like. And yeah, I'm going to get stopped out of this play. I should have listened to myself. I said that this shit was going to go up here. I don't know why I moved it up. And just like Smith said, you can definitely fall for it every time with these damn patterns. You can fall for it. The NQ will emotionally hijack you, and you'll be in profit, and then price will run to your stop. But I think I'm good. I think if I get an opportunity to break even on this trade, I will, or at least reduce my risk. But
I think we're gonna see close to 120. If she don't drop here, I think we're gonna see close. I'm saying 120, but I'm front running a little bit.
yeah. And why do you think 120?
I see some supply on the smaller time frames, so it might reject down there or up there.
Actually, I think I do see something. I'm gonna show it to y'all on NinjaTrader because it's just easier to show it to you on NinjaTrader. What the hell? All right. No, fine. Do all kind of crap. Like what the hell's going on? Oh yeah, I don't know if you're looking at the stream, but Alfred was saying 1930. He got it on the September contract, and I was like, dude, yo, I need to find that September contract is trading higher. So I was telling everybody that usually once we see the front month trading higher, it's highly unlikely that the previous month is going to short, or we're going to see a massive reversal if the front month is high. Where is it at?
Oh, so we in the new contract's about to be up, and it's at 300.
It's at 300 right now.
Dang.
It's at
Man,
300.
Going for that 20K. I didn't even know. I'm on the whatever contract.
The June contract. Yeah, I already got the 20 contracts or September's contract right now. But you said what?
I'm on the continuous on TradingView, so it hasn't switched over yet on the continuous.
This is why I love trading the new contracts, because of this low liquidity, high volatility, moves in one direction. It's always pump. It always pumps. I have yet to see that shit ever go down. I have yet to see that. But this is what I'm looking on the Nasdaq. Actually, get right here. So that 120 level could be definitely something to look out for, because we do have this previous area of resistance right here at 124. So the bears did come in at this level previously. We did get that stop run higher on Friday, and then we got that massive drop, and then they got bought right back up. We took out that high, and then price dropped again.
We got this. I'm calling it now. We got it.
Got it.
I'm still in it.
Of course. I mean, it's a Nasdaq, baby.
Yeah, it's my runner though. It's my last contract. It hit all my other targets previously.
Okay. Yeah, congratulations on that. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
All right, let's see. Let's see. So I'm gonna move my stop up to right underneath. And it's right there. I'm gonna move it up. So this is a risk-free trade. We've now seen that these golden fib levels are the freaking truth. So now tomorrow we will be testing it out in what positions. Now, hey, y'all gonna have to forgive me if mistakes are made. We are testing something new out. So if mistakes are made, you gotta take these trades at your own risk, baby. I got an account specifically for this. I want to trade 15 micro contracts on this. I don't want to deviate too far from our original plan. However, obviously, instead of the 10 points, we can either have one big target at like 36 or 45, or we can have a target at like 20, or like 20, 27, 18, 27, 36, and 45.
That's solid.
Think
As long as
so?
you got a plan, sounds like you do. For the Nasdaq, right? Yeah.
Yeah, for the Nasdaq. Yeah.
Nasdaq.
Yeah, these golden fibs do look solid. But man, if we can get this damn thing to work, and obviously I'm going to put the technical analysis in it as well. It's not like we're just going to blindly get in at these fib levels, but we can definitely use these fib levels as targets, entries, and exits. We can definitely utilize it that way. Because how I trade is all those numbers and ranges and stuff like that on the on my NinjaTrader chart. That's basically all I use. I like to know where the high of the day is, the low of the day, where the price is ranging at. And once we see that range, we see a breakout of that range, I know that either it's going to break out and come back and we can get a long, or if the bulls fail, and you can usually tell by the structure of the market, especially looking at that hourly chart. That's why it's a very important intraday tool, especially using the hourly chart as a reference. There is no reason to really short this. You did have some short opportunities, but overall, you can tell that the bulls were in control. So the hourly chart is definitely a great tool to use intraday.
Dude, they've been in control since really, okay, so 8:30, probably shot up, of course, and then dropped, and then kind of been staggering around 18,990
Yeah.
contract. But if you had gone around there like I should have, then you'd have been good. The Bulls been in control the entire time.
Yeah.
You had this couple drops for scalps, but nothing. Why would you want that when you could get 100+ points if you just hold on? You do have to like monitor it and watch out for potential reversals and stuff like that. But shoot, I'm still in it, baby. Even after that 31-point drop, and I, thought I wasn't gonna get my 100 points. I'm still in it. She didn't first. That was just, that drop. People, taking profits and stuff up there, and obviously the demand is still up there. They came back in, bought it at the 1980s.
Price is
I'm just
still.
trying to get, I'm just trying to get just a hair below 120. I won't say it until it hits. But I mean, depending on, well, yeah, never mind. Let me not say that because there's a smaller time frame. There's supply up here, so I want to see how it reacts after 120. 120, basically, so it's a range 120 to like 140, get a 20-point range.
Yeah, if we can get a breakout here at this 14 level, I mean, just be mindful. We need a strong breakout above this high right here. We need a strong breakout because it looks like the ES has just made a damn,
baby, let's go. Let's go. How many points is that? I don't even know.
Just keep it tight, baby. Just keep it tight. Keep it tight.
I'm done. They hit my target. I left my target alone. I didn't move it up. I'm done. So 117.50 was my final.
Yeah.
All of that for 7 extra points.
Hey, the Nasdaq does that. It sounds crazy after it hits, but
that sounds super crazy. Like what? 7 points? Now, I can see if it was like 15, 20, but let's see. It's approaching 120. We are in that area. Let's see. I got a 20-point range of where potential shorts can really come in between here. Now, yeah, I'm looking at lower time frame supply. So that's like
Yeah.
on the 2, 5, and 15 minute. But if you look at the hourly, as Sherm likes to say, you got all these green dildo candles.
Yeah.
Now the hourly, ooh, that's interesting. The hourly has a little bit of supply in the 140s. So if you're gonna short, if it gets to 140s, I would short around there. 140s, 150s, if it gets back up there. That's where I personally would take it. But like you said, you also have to take into account what you said earlier. When that new contract rolls out, and we usually don't get no no significant dumps like that. So
Yeah, we don't. We don't. Historically, that shit, once we get that new contract, you short this market, you will 9 times out of 10 become a liquidity donation to the market.
yeah, so just be mindful. Now, you may be able to pull off a scalp, and then who knows? I mean, but I'm just saying, be careful. That's all I
Yeah.
gotta say.
Yeah.
I'm out of my position. Damn, that's just shy of 6K. Dang,
Our boy made
but I'm
6K.
done. I'm done.
6K.
Yeah,
But yeah,
I'm 46 bucks away from 6K.
don't do it. Hey, don't do it.
No,
Yeah,
no,
we
no.
heard it. We heard
No,
it.
no,
Yo, we heard
I'm
it.
done. I was just making a statement. I was just putting that out there. I'm done. We can call it 6K if you like. I'm done.
I mean,
I'm
shit,
done. That
it's for
was.
you. Hold on. Hey, baby. Hey, let me get it like right there, just in case. There you go. It's for you. Now, like I said, the ES is about to make that W pattern on the ES. He says, "Who's the GOAT?" Gain weight. Who's the GOAT? Yeah,
Gain
this
weight.
this does look
Caught
like
that
this is
100.
about to short. You said what?
Caught that 100 point. Actually, it's more than 100. I don't know how much it was. 107. I waited through a 31 point drop for 7 extra points. That's crazy. When you say it back like that, that's crazy.
Yeah, it is crazy. It is crazy. But it makes sense. I mean, shit, when you high off that NQ, baby, everything makes sense. I want my 5 points, regardless if I have to sit through a 50 point.
Hey, that's happened before. Gain weight to go. Dang, yeah. Nah,
Man, hold
I
up,
wish
man,
I would have got it.
hold up, gang. Wait, hold up. You gotta acknowledge some things. You gotta acknowledge some things. Every time when the Sherm say the market is going to go short, you say nah, it's going to go long, and then the market goes short, and then you come back like this shit never happened and say, yeah, baby, we long. We can't do that today. We can't do that today. We can't do that.
That is funny.
They're like, yeah, this market going short. Yeah, but it's like, nah, it's going long. It's like, nah, baby, it's going short. I mean, it might be going long now, but it'll drop. It's going short.
I mean, you pointed it out. Like, we found out it's better to be on the long side, the bull side, than because Bears they've been having it rough.
Yeah, it is. They do get it rough, man.
For real.
They get taken
They have
advantage
their
of.
moment. Yeah, they do. They'll have their moment of shine for maybe, if they're lucky, a day, 2 days. But the Bulls will come right back. It's crazy.
You say I stay shorting? Hey, baby, hey, I'm a bear at heart. I'm going to always look for a short. I'm a bear at heart. But we talking about what happened on Friday. And then we talking about what happened the day before that. Hey, if the Sherm say we going short, the market going short 9 times out of 10. Because look, my eyes is kind of, my eyes, I can see a short. It's hard to see a long, but I get like, oh yeah, that's a short. Like I will see a short.
Right. Your bear sense is coming. My bear sense is tingling. Yeah, Friday was all over the place though, for real. Friday was crazy.
You said I shorted today?
But it was looking technical. Nah,
Yeah.
game weight, I caught 107 points.
No, I think
80
you're talking
to the
about me.
long.
He was talking about the test short that I took at that golden fib level. Nah, I didn't really short it. I was testing it out. But yeah, you're right. I did short it. I did short, but mostly I was testing it out to see if it'll work really. But I mean, this market is definitely showing us that them golden fib levels, they are the truth. So we'll start using them moving forward. We'll have the golden fibs on the chart. I'm going to probably try to minimize the colors as much as possible so we can at least see the price action too.
Order filled.
All right, so I'm out of that. Um,
Nice trade.
yeah,
We hit what 121. Okay.
but it does look like it's going to go short on the ES, man. I'm gonna try this out. I'm shorting this. This looks like a short, yo.
It does indeed to me as well. We tapped into that. Look, I'm talking smaller
Order
time
filled.
frame supply.
So,
Tapped into it. That's what I'll.
my bad. Go ahead.
But really, I don't know. I'd rather have been on the long side all day
Yeah,
today.
I mean, honestly, it's the long side. So again, if I'm short, that means I missed the long. If I'm short, that just means I missed the long. Obviously, on the
Yeah.
ES, you can't trade her the same way that you trade NQ. I mean, I think that's obvious to everybody. But the good thing about ES is that she will trade the structure. You don't have to worry about her doing this or that. She trades structurally. NQ, I'm always gonna be a bull on the NQ. I will rarely be a damn bear because the NQ definitely likes to take care of bears. Like she just loves doing that shit. She loves fucking bears, yo. I'm a
Making them
perma bull
cry in the
on the
corner.
damn NQ. He said what?
Making the bears cry in the corner.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I am a perma bull on the NQ unless the only time that I'm ever a bear on the NQ is if we touch super duper supply. And the reason why I moved my stop up is because we potentially touch super duper supply here at 21. This is the left shoulder of what could possibly be a head and shoulders pattern. I don't think this is a reversal, but we may get back down here to this 50 level right here on the NQ. We may see a move back down to 50.
All right, y'all. I gotta head out. But yeah, it was nice trading. I got my 100-point play again. Back in the game.
And that's what we love to hear, baby. That's what we love to hear. But
Yeah, I'll probably be in the chat and the well, I don't know how much longer you're staying on.
no, I'm actually about to close in the next 4 minutes. Gameway says you shorted for no reason. Hey, if my shorts are green,
Yes.
if my shorts are green, hey, that's all they need to be. They need to be green. But go ahead.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
But
Oh,
yeah, I'm probably gonna I'm gonna end the stream in the next 3 minutes. So like all the trades I took today was just definitely just to test out these fib levels and to test everything out. They do seem to work, so we will definitely use it in combination of technical analysis. I do believe that the market will probably trade back down into this 50 level right here, somewhere right here. We can definitely see some chop, but I think that right now price would be too high to buy. Would definitely be too high to buy, or at least for a real continuation higher, at least unless they come back in at this golden fib, I guess. If they come back in here, then I guess they could do it. But overall, I'm thinking that we're not going to see a real significant bounce until price comes back and tests this high here at 50. 55. Where's it at? Yeah, somewhere in this area right here. Somewhere in this area. Because this is the price broke out of here at 59. Yeah, so somewhere right here is where I think the bulls could definitely come back in. And then you got the 200 EMA sitting right here at 56. So we could just see like a little flash crash down here. And they can definitely come back in. Yeah. My ES trade right now, I mean, it's working. It's definitely working right now. But like I said, I don't expect a reversal here on the ES. I just expect for it to possibly test maybe the top of this range right here. We can see bulls come in because this is the breakout. But my money would be that price tests this area right here. And this is where I believe the market will come in and test. Hold on. I think Gameway says something in the Discord. All right, so where you at? Oh, you posted something or what time is it? 11 o'clock? You posted something? Is it like in the winds or something? Where you posted it? Unless you posted the Vegeta thing and that was it. Unless this is what you was posted right here. Okay. Look at that boy Gameway said he up 32K. Yo, congratulations. And you said that you're looking for. All right, Gameway, we see you. We see you, baby. We see you. We see you. You said you're a DGen. Hey, we see you, baby. We definitely see you. So yeah, this is Gameway's position right here. And like I said, I'm a perma bull in the Nasdaq. You will rarely see me take a short unless I am just super confident it's going to work out. And then even if then, if it's going to drop into an area where the bulls will come in, I will buy versus sell. It's just how it is. But all right, guys, that's all I have. I appreciate you guys joining. We'll definitely use that tool on the NQ, and if we can get it to work, we'll definitely focus more on the NQ. We will still be looking at the ES. We'll still be planning our trades from the ES. It's just unfortunately the ES sets up outside of the New York session for some reason. Either it's setting up before, like around 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, or it sets up at 1 to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And obviously, we're not streaming at that time. And we want to make sure that you guys are taking some great trades and actually making money. So we will still call out the areas for the ES, but we're going to use this tool on the NQ more so we can start making consistent money again. Because, yeah. Yeah. But all right, guys, appreciate you guys and peace out.